Hello, my dear boys. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Good morning and welcome all of you to my online physics class. And we are in revision period. Okay. And basically, we are trying to solve some multiple choice question. So, today's our topic is SSC Chattogram Board 2020 multiple choice question solution. So, my dear boys, let's start our today's topic. So, my dear boys, this is Chattogram Board 2020 multiple choice question. The first question is, who showed that all galaxies of the universe are moving away from one another? The answer is option B, Hubble. Question number 2. The motion of an oscillatory oscillatory body on a swing is, answer is option D, simple harmonic motion. Question 3. Which one of the following is a source of non-renewable energy? The answer is option A, nuclear energy. Question 4. The normal temperature of a human body is, answer is option C, 36.89 degrees Celsius. Question number 5. Which musical instrument is based on airflow? According to the option, the answer is option D, harmonium. Question number 6. Velocity of light in water is, the answer is option C, 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question number 7. Dimension of force is, here the dimension of force is mlt inverse 2. So the right answer is option A, mlt inverse 2. Question number 8. Which of the following machine is used X-ray? The answer is option B, CT scan. Question 9. Which of the following is insulator? Among the option, the answer is option C, rubber. Question number 10. What is the charge of an electron? We know that the charge of electron is negative and the value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So the answer is option A. Question number 11. If the mass of the same, which of the following substance will be larger in volume? Among the options, the answer is option A, wood. Okay. Question number 12. Which is the smallest unit? Among the options, the answer is D, femtometer, because the 1 meter equal to 10 to the power minus 15. okay, femtometer. Here we have given a stem by which the following figure and information answer the questions 13 and 14. Here you see a concave mirror. Okay. Here AB is a object and this object is placed between F and C. Here the statement is the object AB is placed in the middle of within the principal focus and the center of curvature. How far, question number 13, how far from the pole of mirror will the image be formed? Here the distance of image from pole is 30 centimeters. Okay, the explanation is here. We know that 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. Here u is divided into two parts, 1 by OF plus A plus 1 by V equal to 1 by OF. Putting the value, we get the V equal to 30 centimeters. So we can say that the image distance is 30 centimeter from the pole. Question number 14. Here, if AB moves about 10 centimeter towards the mirror, will create. The three statements are a virtual image, statement 2, double-sized image of the target, of statement 3, and inverted image. Here the option 3 is wrong, so the answer is option C, 1 and 2. Question number 15, which are represents the graph of the an uniform acceleration from following displacement s time t graph. Here, according to these graphs, according to the condition, the answer is option A. Okay, because we know that s is proportional to square of the time. Okay, so according to this formula we get the answer option A. Question number 16, if the number of turns of the primary coil of a transformer is higher than the number of turns of the secondary coil. Here the statements are, it is a step down transformer. Statement 2, its primary current is less than the secondary current. And statement 3, then its primary voltage is higher than the secondary voltage. Okay, so my dear boys, here answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. The 3 statement is correct. Question number 17, a boy pushes a box of 2 into 10 to the power 4 gram onto a frictionless floor by 50 Newton force. What is the acceleration of the box? Here the answer is 2.5 meter per second square. The explanation is here the force is given 50 Newton and the mass is 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here the mass is in gram unit. Okay, So putting the value, we get the answer 2.5 meter per second square. Okay. So next question here, you see that An tends to An minus 4 plus helium. A and B are two radioactive elements whose half-life are 100 years and 200 years respectively. From the information, answer the following question number 18 and 19. Question number 18. After 400 years, the answer is A. Element A and B are left 6.25% and 25% respectively. Now, question number 19. Particles emitted in the transaction from A to B is statement 1, a helium nucleus. Statement 2, changed charged plus 3.22 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And 3, statement 3, ionized the air. For this question, this 3 statement is correct. So the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 20. An object of mass 500 kg is moving at 20 meter per second. If the object creates 0.5 meter per second square acceleration, deceleration here for 10 seconds, its kinetic energy will, for kinetic energy we need the velocity. Okay, so first of all we need to determine the velocity after 10 seconds. Here the formula is v equal to u minus at equal to, calculating we get 15 meter per second, and according to the law of kinetic energy we know that ek equal to half of mv square. So putting the value, we get the kinetic energy is 5.625 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Okay, so according to this information, the correct answer is option A. Question number 21. How many times does the amplitude of a second wave increase? Its energy increased by 9 times. So here the answer is option B, 3 times. Okay. 22. Virtual images are always formed with convex mirror and concave lenses. Okay. Question number 23. Keeping the pressure constant for the same temperature difference, which of the following substance will have highest expansion? According to this option, the answer is option D, oxygen. Question number 24. Here you see a circuit. Among this circuit, the 10 ohm and 10 ohm, another 10 ohm resistance are in parallel because the current is divided into two parts when it passes through 10 ohm and 10 ohm both. So these are parallel, and here 5 ohm is series with them. So we can get the calculation is R equivalent equal to 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 inverse 1 equal to 10 ohm. Here I equal to E by R equivalent equal to 30 by 10 equal to 3 amperes. So the flow of current is 3 amperes. Okay. And question number 25. If 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb charge given to a capacitor of 40 microfarad, Here the three statements are: an electric field will be formed. This is correct. Its potential will be 8 volt, and statement 3, 0.5 millijoule energy will be stored there. Here the explanations are: for option 2, statement 2, we get V equal to Q by C. So according, after calculating, we get 8 volt. But when the stored energy is 1.28 millijoule. So according to this discussion, we say that the statement 3 is wrong. So the answer is option A, 1 and 2. Okay. So my dear boys, this is all for today. In our next lecture, we will try to solve another board question, multiple choice question. Okay. So until then, thank you boys.